care children to contribute to that reflection on what's actually happening for them during the day or during the vacation care period. And I think that part of that gathering information about the practices that you're engaging with or the things that children are doing is actually having really, in school age care, is actually having those really strong reflective conversations with children. And so I sometimes are a little concerned if educators are spending too much time thinking that they have to be writing, when in actual fact they'd get a lot more information if they had rich, real conversations with children and with the other educators who are involved in their service. I think you need to find a really balance between the documentation that you use. I think you need to find a balance around the way in which you are accountable for your practices. I think you need to find a balance between the ways in which you are accountable to others for what you do and then the way in which you actually are engaged in delivering the service for children. In school age care it's sometimes really difficult because of the hours that people work to actually marry those two things together really easily, and so some people have become overwhelmed at the thought that they need to be writing a whole lot, where in actual fact if they were working with children and working with their other staff, engaging in reflective conversations, they'd actually be informing other people about what they were doing, and in actual fact the children could probably articulate to parents and to others around them the kinds of practices that they'd been engaged with.